From the CRM portal, click the SoWs tab in the navigation bar to access your statements of work. A statement of work is a formal proposal from your service provider that outlines the products, services, pricing, and terms for your account. The SoW list shows all of your proposals in one table. Each row displays the SoW number, the subject describing the proposal, the date it was created, and a status badge. Sent means the proposal is waiting for your review and signature. Accepted means you have already signed and approved it. To review a proposal that is waiting for your signature, click the SoW number link. This opens the full statement of work in a new tab where you can see all the details before signing. The statement of work opens with a professional cover page showing your company name and a summary of the services being proposed. Below that, you will find the SO number, date, and expiration date, followed by your contact and company information. Scroll down to see the full pricing breakdown. The pricing section breaks down all products and services into clear categories. One-time charges show the quantity, description, unit price, and total. Monthly recurring services are listed with their ongoing costs. At the bottom, the grand total bar shows your estimated first month total and the monthly recurring amount, making it easy to understand the full cost. At the bottom of the page, you will find the acceptance section. To sign, enter your full name and title, choose a signature style from 4 handwriting fonts, and check the 2 boxes to agree to the master service agreement and authorize the services. You will also initial to acknowledge the service term. Once everything is filled in, the Accept and Sign button becomes active. After signing, the SO shows an accepted banner at the top with the date and your name. A download signed PDF link appears so you can save a copy for your records. The signature block at the bottom displays your typed signature in the font you chose, along with the date, and that covers viewing and signing statements of work in the Cloudspire CRM portal.